In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Melio with QuickBooks Online. If you're looking to streamline your accounts payable and keep your books accurate without double entry, connecting Melio to QuickBooks Online is a simple and secure process. Before we begin, make sure you can sign into both services and that you have the right permissions, ideally as an admin on your QuickBooks Online company. Having a stable internet connection and using an up-to-date browser will also make things smoother. Start by signing into your Melio account. On the left side of your dashboard, look for the Settings option. If your sidebar is collapsed, expand it so you can see the full list. Settings is the central place where you manage your company preferences and integrations, so this is where the connection will be set up. Inside Settings, locate the Company section and choose Sync and Import. This page is dedicated to bringing your accounting data into Melio and keeping it up to date. Think of it as the control panel for your integrations and data syncing rules. On the Sync and Import page, find QuickBooks Online and click Connect. This begins a secure connection process between Melio and your QuickBooks company file. If you manage more than one company in QuickBooks Online, be mindful that you'll be picking which one to connect. So choose the correct file to avoid syncing the wrong data. Next, you'll be prompted to sign in to QuickBooks Online, or if you're already signed in, to confirm the account and company you want to use. Follow the on-screen instructions to grant Melio access. You'll see a standard authorization screen that explains what data will be shared. Review the details, confirm the correct company is selected, and proceed. If you don't have the necessary permissions, check with your company's QuickBooks admin to enable access. To finish, click the Connect button to complete the sync. Melio will confirm the connection and begin the initial data pull. Depending on the size of your company file, the first sync may take a few minutes. It's a good idea to leave the tab open while it completes. Once connected, you should see a status indicating that the integration is active. From here on, bills and payments you manage through Melio can flow into QuickBooks Online, helping keep your books consistent. That's all it takes. Go to Settings in Melio, open Sync and Import under Company, choose QuickBooks Online, sign in and authorize and finalize by clicking Connect. Thanks for watching and happy syncing.